Yup, what's going on, everybody? As you can probably tell, just got done doing some fishing. Caught a couple of them, but figured, might as well bring my third brake light that I got for the old Ranger out here and put it on. So we do have, just a standard old red and white one. And then this here is what I picked up. It's just a blacked out one. I feel like it's gonna go good with the theme of the truck, essentially. Nothing crazy, nothing fancy. So you get this, then you also get your little the gasket that goes on behind it, and you get your four little caps that go over. I'm guessing those, maybe. I guess. But how's everybody been doing? I know I ain't posted a video in a minute. Just been working mainly, not gonna lie. Got some other stuff going on as well. So the GMC, as you guys know, bought it used. I did happen to get the extended warranty on it. I think it was like a 24,000 mile warranty or 2 years, whichever comes first. And we took it down to Myrtle Beach on the 4th, and I thought I had got some bad gas, so we put some 93 in it, ran it. It was still spitting and sputtering like it was misfiring, essentially, like I had bad gas. But put 93 in it, ran it, and it just seemed to get worse. So I was like, you know what, it's under warranty. Let me just go ahead and call them and see what I need to do to see, if we can get this thing checked out. Because being that it was under warranty, I'm like, I'm not going to touch it. Might as well go through the warranty, So that's what I did. And we took it up to the GMC dealer, my local GMC dealer. And he drove it, and he said it sounds like it's going to be a lifter getting ready to go. When I checked the oil in it, I pulled the dipstick out of it twice, and I was getting metal shavings on the dipstick. So I don't know how long it's going to be until they get that situated, or how long that process takes. But that's what's been going on with the GMC. As far as the Ranger, not much been going on with this. I mean, it runs like a top. Looks good, rides good. Just doing small stuff to it, getting these ugly stock lenses replaced and things like that. Do want to do some more aftermarket lighting on it. Maybe do like some lights in the bed facing outward, and then ditch lights. Definitely want to get the cold air intake, and then I do want to get the tuner that you can get from the Ford dealership for this truck specifically. So that's the next couple things I want to do to it, and then essentially just wait on a bigger lift to come out for it. Because right now, I mean, there's only like 2 lift kits, and they're really just leveling kits. Honestly, they're like 3-inch kits, so it's really just to level the truck off. But I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video here, and once I get the new one on, I will pick the video back up and show you guys how it looks, because this right here is a pretty standard procedure. 7mm socket, you got 4 bolts, pop them out, put your gasket on the back of the new one, pop that puppy into place. Make sure you got a clean surface up here as well. I'm gonna clean the surface with a alcohol towel, and then yeah, I'll pick the video back up in a second. All right, everybody, we got it on there, as you can see. And we're actually at a different location, so a little bit more involved than just the 4 bolts, the 7 mils up on the light itself. You also have to drop the headliner to get to the plug that's on the back side of the headliner that you can't, there's no slack, so you can't pull it. So you have to drop the back side of the headliner to gain access to it, which I wasn't intending on doing, so I didn't have the proper equipment when I was at the fish ditch. So I had to wait till I get home. Well, I had to wait till I got home. But yeah, it's in there. It looks really good. I think the black with the clear housing looks really good on the truck. Being that that's the theme we're going for, let me open a door and I'll show you the lighting on it. So it's not as bright as the OEM one, and that's just because I had the LED bulbs where I replaced the halogen. So we had the LED bulbs in the reverse light, well, not the reverse lights, but the bed lights. So it was super bright. But as far as looks, I feel like it looks 10 times better. Really wasn't too hard to drop, and it's super dark in here. So you got to drop your hangers for your seat belts in the rear. You got to take this piece off here, this plastic, which is just tabs holding it in. So just pull it off towards that way. It'll come on down. Headliner, once you get it from this side here, and you pull down. You go slowly, and then you have a spot here that's got like a tab that's pushed into the roof itself, and then same thing on that side. Once you drop those, you'll have enough room to actually do what you need. But yeah, I think it turned out really good. Like I said, we still have to essentially wait on the Denali. So we're just doing minor stuff to this thing to get it ready, you know, get it how I want it to look until, you know, more aftermarket accessories come out. And we are at the Nissan dealership, if you guys don't know. And what I was looking at today was this thing here. It is a Nissan Pro 4X. It's essentially the same truck as this. So it's got the lock and rear diff. It's got the 4x4 high-low auto. I don't know if those trucks have drive modes, but it has the 3.8 V6 with the 9-speed transmission, which from what I've read up is like tried and true and tested with Nissan. So it's like a really solid platform. They have a lot of aftermarket accessories for this body style truck. Unlike the Ranger, they don't have hardly any lift kits. They got like 2, and that's it. With that thing, they got like 5 or 6. So I called Nissan today. The guy's supposed to get back with me Tuesday to run over some numbers to see what they'd give me for the Ranger and see what the out the door on that truck would be. I don't know if I'm going to do it. Like I said, this one is essentially the same as the Ranger, except this one has like the 360 cam on it. It has it on the mirrors, the back, the front. It's not leather either, but it has a lot more aftermarket accessories, and that's what sucks about the Ranger. Like, the next thing I want to do is the Raptor grill, and then after that, like, I do want to get it tuned with the aftermarket tuner that Ford sells. But until they come out with like bigger lift kits, there's not much else I can do to this thing. Let me know what you guys think. Should we swap over to the Nissan, or should we stick with the Ranger? Like I said, I mean, the Ranger, love the truck, like it, and it actually like turns heads as well, because it looks really good. Like, check that thing out. Like, it looks super good. I feel like once we get the Raptor grill, it's really gonna look good. Guy in a Raptor actually today was passing me, and he was just looking at this thing up and down, man. So it definitely turns heads as well. I want to do ditch lights on this thing as well. So we got ditch lights, the Raptor grill, and then the tune, and then a cold air intake, but that's really it. Unless they start pushing out like aftermarket accessories, I'm definitely looking into, you know, different mid-sized trucks. I know the Colorados and stuff, they have issues with theirs, like electrical issues, I want to say. But like the platform, like the motor and transmission, like that little 2.7 high output, what is it, Turbo Max is what they call it. Like, that thing's like rated for like 7,700 pounds that it can tow, which is kind of good for a mid-sized truck. But this is the one that we're looking at. Like I said, let me show you guys the window sticker on this thing. So it is a, there we go. And it's like 48 grand, but it's got like a $3,000 discount on it. 3 or 4, I want to say 3 or 4 grand. It's like 43 online. So if we can get like out the door with like 46 on this truck, I might just do it. Because like I said, I mean, it's a V6 naturally aspirated. It's not turboed, which, don't get me wrong, the Ranger will get up and move. Don't think that's what I'm saying. The Ranger, it'll scoot. But let me know what you guys think. And let me know what you guys think about the third brake light. I know I started rambling, but let me know what you guys think of the third brake light. I'll leave a link in the description for this. I want to say it was like 36 bucks on Amazon, just in case any of you guys want to pick it up. Looks really good. The brake light itself is like super bright as well. Matter of fact, let me set the phone down and I'll show you guys about that. Let's see here. If I can get a good angle. My phone don't want to cooperate. There we go. So the light is like super bright on it as well. Highly recommend it. Come with a pretty good gasket as well to seal it. That's another thing that I worry about when I buy aftermarket third brake lights, is it leaking. But yeah, let me quit rambling. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. If you guys enjoyed, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. Like I said, more updates on the Denali will be coming next week. I believe the guy said he's gonna reach back out once he got his bay where that truck needed to be. He was gonna call me back and see what he got, or see what he found once he tears the motor apart more. But yeah, stay tuned, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.